what's up, what it do? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tierra, and y'all see it, we back for another wig slay, girl. Shout out to Afsisterwig for sponsoring today's video. Y'all make sure to click those links down below, check them out. This is one of them top tier companies. We coming top tier with it, okay? Y'all, this wig, I already knew she was gonna get my life. 24 inches of this body wave. It kind of looked like they curled the hair, like that's how this body wave looks, which was so pretty, straight out the box. Like really, you ain't even have to do nothing to it. It's just like that natural wavy flowy type of look. Like the hair is so full. But I want to talk to y'all about this lace, this Swiss lace, honey, which is absolutely popping. They sent me over a few examples so I can show y'all exactly how Swiss lace works, how it looks in comparison to like transparent brown lace. I don't think I've worked with many Swiss laces, but y'all, I love the lace because I feel like it's just so thin. It's so like, it just melts really good. If you want to get your hands on this beautiful unit, or if you want to check out more of Afsisterwig's information, make sure to click those links down below. So without further ado, if y'all want to see how I got this wig laid and slayed, honey, how I melted this Swiss, I just threw in like some beach body waves or whatever. So if you want to see the whole process and get glam with me, get cute with me, slay a wig with me, go ahead, stay tuned. So we're gonna jump straight into it by molding our wig down. I am using the Keep It Neat styling mousse. This is my sister's new mousse, and y'all gonna see this in just about every video because this mousse is the truth. Like, it has such a good hold on it, but it doesn't make the hair crunchy or anything. It just gives it like a nice shine and a nice hold. And this is one of the first keys in getting like a celebrity quality hairstyle, is making sure it's polished, it's neat, it's sleek. And this mousse does all of that, girl. It takes care of all the flyaways and just makes it nice and flat. Like, that's what you want. And this right here, having a deep part, do y'all see that part? This is a 13x6 and it is true to its name. A deep part on a wig just makes it look so much more natural. You can do more with it. Then I'm just going in with my blow dryer to mold everything down, get everything nice and flat. And of course, this is a huge key in having that salon quality flat wig. So this is one of those wigs that already comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Like, y'all see that hairline looks so good. So now we are just going to style this wig, and I actually like how this wig came. This is the hair straight out the box, like nothing done to it. That body wave is just so freaking pretty, and that's the style that we're going for. Just that nice effortless celebrity, like Hollywood type of hair. Okay, so we're just gonna give her some face framing layers. Try to keep the layers like nice and long. I just love long layers, like especially with some waves. It just gives you like a nice sexy sultry look. I'm back with my hairspray lecture. Like, y'all, I just really want y'all to understand hairspray, it's gonna have your style on lock. Okay, you want your style to be sleek, polished, looking like you got it professionally done. Like, especially on that hairline, use that hairspray, girl. Styling with hairspray has definitely been a game changer for my wigs. Like, it just makes it look so much better. And then you just want to use like a press and comb, or y'all see me using my blow dryer, or just using a curling wand, some type of form of heat to like lock in that hairspray so you can have that crispy polished look, but without it being crispy. So that's why I really love this Tresemme hairspray, because it holds good but it doesn't make it crispy or hard or nothing like that. Another tip is to always curl like your front bangs going backwards, like away from the face, and that's what creates that, you know, va va voom effect. So here we just gonna cut off these combs. Y'all know I do my spray ball cap method, so I don't want them combs on my hair snatching and all that stuff, so I just cut them out. Cutting the combs can also just create a more flawless flat install, so like just cut them out anyway. Like, I don't know, my wigs be looking better when I cut the combs out. Like, any little lump and hump you can get rid of it. So this is my spray ball cap method that I do. If you haven't checked out the video where, you know, I slowed it down and showed you guys how I spray it on, make sure to check that out. And then I'm just taking that alcohol to clean off my hairline. And then y'all already know how I do my spray melts or whatever, so I feel like at this point it's self-explanatory. Just go ahead and enjoy the melt. So I always like to do a little customization to my hairline. Even though this hairline definitely came so pretty, it still is not like, you know, custom to your hairline. So I find it easier like when the wig is on your head. That way you can use your own hairline as like a guide to pluck and mimic your own natural hairline. So sometimes when your lace looks like a little casty or a little bit of that gel, it's just like a little flaky, go back in with that freeze spray, and y'all see how when you spray it, you know, look at it, y'all see how it melted in even more. So I like to just spray that, like going back, you know, especially them little spots that I missed, and just putting a blow dryer to it, and boom, look at that, it gets that lace melted. So now we just pulling out those baby hairs to get prepared for the final meltdown. And you know, once you have those baby hairs out, take that elastic band, sit it directly on that lace so it could just melt in. You got that Got to Be Free spray on there, and everything is just getting all melted in, making that lace like shoo, 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 like that. Yeah. So bam, that is how that melt is looking. I did kind of mess up the middle section because what I didn't show is that I had it too far down on my forehead when I first put it on. So I like picked it up and moved it back, which made the spray gel like a little crusty. but I'm just going in, you know, swooping and duping my baby hairs. So after I'm done playing around with my baby hairs, getting them to how I want them to be, that is it, girl. We are ready to step out like a celebrity. Okay, we got our celebrity top tier quality wig slay. And that's it. Like, look at that. Very cute. Lace does take some time to learn, but when you learn it, like, you can really become a pro right in your own home. You just gotta keep practicing, and boom bam baby. Look at them baby hairs though. Oh, this wig was so pretty, super pretty. Oh, girl, give him a face. When somebody listen to the feeling song, wrangled by the wishes of fate. Hey. Ooh, don't play with her. She's not one of them. Swiss lace. Is her Swiss lace popping like mine? I ain't think so. Somebody come snatch this wig off my head. Feeling myself is an understatement. Like, this wig is definitely a top tier unit. This unit definitely belongs up there with the girls, like, as far as quality. This was my first time working with AfSister wig, and I can definitely say I'm impressed. Like, I feel like it's one of them top tier, like, quality companies. I already see the hair on this wig. It's so nice and full, super soft. It's just really, really good quality. I will say this hair does not hold a curl really good, because girl, I done curled this hair like twice, and you know, they just falling. Honestly, a little hairspray can fix that if you want to like hold your curl in good. But still, the quality of this hair is absolutely amazing. Like, I love how it came like in the beginning, fresh out the pack. It was already kind of like that loose type of body wave that just gave you like a real natural tassel tease. Y'all know I'm all for a tassel. Okay, so yes honey, to this wig, AfSister, y'all did y'all thing with this one. I absolutely love it. If you're interested in one of AfSister wigs, if you're interested in this unit, make sure to go ahead and click those links down below, right there in the description box. That's it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below and subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Come on, join the Boss Boo crew. We would love to have you. Follow me on Instagram, girl. We're trying to get our Instagram bag popping, so you know. Thank y'all once again for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out, girl.